Making money on Amazon does not have to be hard, especially if you're a beginner or a new seller. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mike Costanzo, and I've been selling on Amazon for the past 10 years. And over that time, I've learned a thing or two about the right types of products that sell really, really well. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. So most new sellers, when they think about a product that they want to sell on Amazon, they think mass market products. For example, an iPhone case. I see this time and time again. And this is the wrong type of product to sell. And the reason is because we need to make data-driven decisions when selling products on Amazon and when choosing which products to sell. So if I pop open Jungle Scout, which is the software that I use to help analyze products, listings, how much money they're making, the data says there's high demand with high competition. Meaning, as a new seller, this is going to almost guarantee that you will fail selling this product. So unless you're a very experienced seller and know exactly what you're doing, or you have very, very deep pockets, it's going to be very challenging to sell a mass market product like an iPhone case, even though there's tons of money being made with these products, right? 400 grand a month, 400 grand a month, 2.46 million a month, right? They're making a lot of money. But for a new seller, that's the last thing you want to focus on is a mass market product. Here's what to do instead. We want to focus on niche products, very specific products that serve a very specific audience. So I'll give you a perfect example, and you can literally steal this product idea and start selling it. And I promise you're probably going to make pretty good money doing it. So I'm going to search dog collar with AirTag holder. So it's a very, very specific product, a dog collar with an AirTag holder for a very specific audience. Now, let's pop open Jungle Scout again to see what it says. So automatically, a high demand with low competition. All right, that is the perfect type of product that we need as a new seller to make money. High demand, a lot of people are making money with it. A lot of people are buying it. Low competition, even better. Okay, so if you want to get access to Jungle Scout, click the link in the description below. It'll show you exactly how to sign up for it and use it and get that data just like this, so you don't waste time and effort on Amazon. Okay, so already we could see this product, the dog collar with an AirTag holder, 187 grand a month, 54 grand a month, 36 grand a month. These are making a lot of money, right? We don't need to focus on those mass market products. We need to really narrow down the types of products that we're selling, right? 187 grand a month. So let's go ahead and now source this product. So we know the product's going to sell. We know it's going to do well. Let's find a supplier to buy these products in bulk, okay? So real quick, we're not going to be buying the product and selling it on this exact listing. We're going to create a new listing on Amazon with our own brand, with our own product, but we know that there's demand for it and there's low competition, so it's going to do really well. Okay, so I'm going to go to Alibaba, which is a website where we can find manufacturers to have our products created and buy them in bulk. So I already found one. It's the same exact, an almost identical dog collar with an AirTag holder. We could buy them anywhere from $1.25 to $2.90 per unit, but that's not our only cost. We still have to have. There's still the cost of shipping the product to us. So with a small lightweight product like this, you could assume it's maybe around $1. So on the high end, we're looking at about $3.90 per unit per dog collar, but we can sell it for $19.99. Okay, so let's really narrow down how much profit. That's probably what you're wondering. How much profit can you make, right? Because there's still Amazon fees to keep in mind. Okay, so if we go over to Amazon's revenue calculator, you could get here by just searching Amazon FBA calculator, and it gives you, it pulls up this page. Okay, so the first thing we want to do now is pull up either the SKU, a UPC code, an ASIN, and all that is a unique identifier to a listing like this. So I'm just going to grab this one right here, and I'm going to paste it in, and it's going to pull up all of this data. The data being the size and the weight of the product, so we know how much profit we'll make. All right. And before we do that, before we narrow that down, I just want to point out the fact that there's two different types of fulfillment, two different types of shipping. There's Amazon fulfillment and your fulfillment. Your fulfillment means that anytime a sale comes in, you're going to keep it in your garage. You're going to ship it out via post office, you're going to drive to the post office, you're going to deal with all the returns, all the customer service. This is a very labor intensive process, and it's not very easy to scale on Amazon doing this. What I recommend is Amazon fulfillment. Okay, this means that we're going to ship our dog collars with the AirTag holders to Amazon's warehouse. Okay, and then anytime it sells, Amazon will pick, pack, and ship your product to the customer. And then if there's any returns, any customer service needed, any chargebacks, Amazon deals with all of that. Now, this makes it very hands-off, very easy to deal with, and it allows you to really scale your business. Okay, so automatically we can see the item price it sells for, and then the Amazon fees, fulfillment costs, storage costs. And then we scroll down, we're gonna enter in the cost of goods sold, right? So we determined it was about $3.90 with shipping. So I'll put that in and say $3.90. And we can see that there's a 37% profit margin, or $7.58 net profit. So you're essentially buying the product for $3, and then you're getting paid back that $3, and Amazon's giving you another $7.58 per unit. Not too bad. This is the perfect way for beginners, the perfect types of products for beginners to start selling on Amazon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you liked it, make sure to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.